Merry Christmas Eve, one day left until Christmas, which is tomorrow, and this is the very last countdown to Christmas crafting with Mom and Z Hawaii. This video will show you today how to put adhesive vinyl on a mirror. So the first step we're going to do is getting our mirror, then we have to clean off all the oils so that the adhesive vinyl adheres really well. So I'm just getting some alcohol and paper towel and just wiping down all the oils from the mirror, and then it evaporates really well. The next step is getting our vinyl and weeding out the material. So basically you're removing all the unwanted bits of vinyl that you don't want. And here I am slowly picking out the excess material, and then with the words you want to be really careful so don't actually miss anything, like your eyes. The dot for your eyes can often get missed or left behind or moved, so those you want to make sure you're a little bit more careful with and going a little bit more slowly when you remove the vinyl. This vinyl in the project is Cricut adhesive vinyl, and it works beautifully, of course, in the machine because that's what it's made for. You can use other brands, and you can check those out in my blog post, which talks about alternative options for adhesive vinyl, because there are a lot, but the quality of the Cricut vinyl has just been better to me, and so I usually wait till there's a big sale and then I buy a bunch so that I don't have to use other brands. The next step is to use your transfer tape, and then you're rubbing it on. So rubbing on that actual vinyl. In this case I have words for a really cute saying as a gift. This one says loved, and turning that transfer tape over and then adhering it and laying it out right onto the mirror where you want those words. And so the last thing is to just repeat that step for all of your design elements in vinyl, and so that you can transfer all of your little quote-unquote stickers that are cut out of vinyl into the right places on top of your mirror. So again, each one I'm rubbing down first onto the transfer tape, and I'm laying it out first with this design just to make sure I have enough room for all the words that I chose to put on this mirror. This mirror was from Target, from the Target Bullseye Playground area. And so then you want to just get your transfer tape for each one of these words or design elements and rub it down onto your transfer tape. And I do like to recycle and reuse transfer tape until it is no longer sticky, so you can be frugal about it, and again keep reusing your transfer tape. And again, I'm gonna keep repeating this process. So I rubbed. You can also use the Cricut scraper, which works well too. But for this project I found that I didn't need to scrape that hard to get it off of the vinyl sheet and onto the transfer paper. So you want to just keep doing that, making sure it's lined up and it fits right where you want it. So you can see, just gonna keep adhering and then going back and getting more words as we put it all on. I'm gonna keep going. All the way around. So again, this is a round mirror, so I chose to put words all the way around the mirror, and so it's kind of like a positive affirmation mirror to know that my friend is loved and appreciated, that she's intelligent and beautiful, and so if she ever forgets it, she can take a look in the mirror and just know that she is all of these wonderful things. And again, just adhering each little word on until it completes my design. And I do really like the permanent vinyl that Cricut has. Of course, it is a little bit more expensive than the removable vinyl. For most things, you probably want permanent vinyl. The Cricut's new permanent vinyl even stays on a mug when you put it through the dishwasher, and so that is really strong and sturdy stuff. The other adhesive vinyls, not the permanent, so the removable vinyls are, of course, as the name implies, removable. So if there's potentially something that you want to remove later, or you're not sure about the final design and you're just testing it out, I would recommend using the removable vinyl instead of the permanent vinyl. And I think this looks like almost the last one of my words, and you can see how used big words, some of them, and so it couldn't fit as much. And there's a little bit more of a straight line to the words because they were so long than I would have liked. But this mirrored project pretty much is really great and easy, and something that's meaningful, so you can put whatever sayings you want on there. I'm going to just keep going. And here we go, the very last word, just rubbing it on. Now my vinyl mirror is done. Super cute gift, just to show someone how much you care. And this is the final project. Thanks again for watching Mom MD Hawaii. Please hit the like button and subscribe in order to get notified when we post new videos. I love to hear your comments, and I will try to answer any questions as well. Thank you.